Hello friends, in today's session we are going to discuss the following case: Union Bank of India versus Khader International Construction and other. First, let us briefly understand the case. In this case, the respondent filed a suit before the Subordinate Court at Kochi, declaring itself a pauper and seeking a permission to proceed with the suit. The appellant argued that being a public limited company, the respondent does not fall under the definition of person because the definition under Order 33 Rule 1 applies only to natural persons. However, the subordinate court allowed the respondent to file the suit as a pauper. Even when the appellant filed a revision petition in the High Court, it was dismissed. The legal issue was whether a limited company, being a juridical person, can file a suit as pauper. The appellant stressed by referring to the old definition that the definition of a pauper applies only to natural persons, whereas the respondent argued that all the juridical persons capable of instituting a suit, including limited companies, should be entitled to the benefit. Ultimately, the court, after examining the provisions both before and after the amendment, concluded that the term person referred to any entity capable of instituting a suit and that Order 33 should be interpreted in a liberal extended sense. Consequently, a public limited company may also file a suit under the prescribed provisions, and the appeal was dismissed. Now, let us study this matter in detail. Answer: Union Bank of India Appellant versus Khader International Construction and others. Respondent. Reference 200142 CLA 296 SC. Subject: whether a limited company may file a suit as a pauper under Order 33 Rule 1 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Facts of the case: the respondent filed a suit before the subordinate court at Kochi, declaring itself as a pauper and seeking leave to proceed in the suit. The appellant objected on the grounds that, being a public limited company, the respondent did not fall within the definition of person under Order 33 Rule 1 of the CPC. The appellant argued that the term person, as mentioned in the rule, applies only to natural persons and not to any other juridical person. Nonetheless, the subordinate court allowed the respondent to file the suit as a pauper. Dissatisfied with that order, the appellant filed a revision petition in the High Court, which was dismissed by a single judge. The appellant now challenges the High Court's decision through this appeal. Legal issue: whether a limited company can file a suit as a pauper under Order 33 Rule 1 of CPC. Appellant's arguments: under Order 33 Rule 1, a pauper is defined as one who does not have sufficient means to pay the fees prescribed by law or who is entitled only to property free from attachment during the execution of a decree and apart from the subject matter of the suit, property valued at not more than 1000 rupees. Prior to amendment of this rule, a pauper was defined as a person who possesses no more than 100 rupees of property apart from necessary clothing and the subject matter of the suit, and this definition was applicable only to natural person, not to over juridical person. Under Order 33, Rule 3, an application to file a suit as a pauper must be filed by the applicant personally unless exempted from personal appearance in court. In such cases, the application may be filed through an unauthorized agent. Since a public limited company is a juridical person, it cannot file the application under Rule 3. Rule 3 presupposes that the person filing the application is capable of answering all the material questions related to the application. Therefore, Order 33 of the CPC was originally conceived to apply only to natural person filing a suit as a pauper. Respondent's arguments: a suit may be filed as a pauper not only by the natural person but also by any juridical person that is empowered to institute legal proceedings. Order 33 is a liberal provision designed to assist litigants who are unable to pay the court's fees at the initial stage of the proceeding, and it should be interpreted in a generous manner. If a company, firms, or liability is allowed to file a suit based on its juridical capacity, there is no rationale for denying it the right to file the suit as pauper. The definition of person contained in the Code of Civil Procedure should also apply in the context, and this extended meaning must be adopted for the term person as used in Order 33 decision. Before pronouncing the judgment, the court thoroughly explained the provisions of Order 33 both before and after the amendment, citing several cases in the process. Ultimately, the court concluded that the term person refers to any entity capable of instituting a suit, and that Order 33 should be regarded as a regular provision to be interpreted in its extended sense. A public limited company which is entitled to institute a suit as a juridical person may widely maintain an application under Order 33 Rule 1 of the CPC. The term person in Order 33 therefore includes not only natural person but also other juridical persons. Accordingly, the appeal was dismissed. Please watch full video, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.